Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is me, Sidra Khalil, your course instructor, and my subject name is Modern Novel. So today we are going to start our very first topic, that is Introduction to Modern Novel. So dear student, first of all, I want to tell you that what is our today's lecture content. So first of all, I'll tell you about introduction to literature, that what is literature you should know, and then we will discuss about what is novel, and then after novel we will discuss about how the novel has been developed and how it has been originated. So origin and development novel we will discuss, and after that we will discuss about elements of novel. So these are our lecture contents. So let me start. First of all, I want to tell you about introduction to literature. Dear students, do you know about something about literature? Do you know what is literature? Actually, if I define literature, it refers to written works, especially those considered to have artistic or intellectual value, such as novels, plays and poems. So these are actually the genres of novel of literature as well. So it can also include oral traditions that have been written down and can encompass a wide range of genres and styles. So ultimately, literature is what? Literature is actually a form of human expressions that reflects and shapes culture, transmitting ideas, emotions and experiences. So another definition that I added over here according to literature, that what is literature? It is actually a sub-branch of fine arts like music, painting, architecture, sculpture and dancing. So this is about the introduction of literature. Now I am going to tell you about major genres of literature. Genre is what? It is actually the kind different styles of literature that in which form the literature, the writers they wrote. The major genres of literature are poetry, drama, prose and fiction. All the things are very much interesting and intellectual and artistic. So fiction, it is of two types. First of all, I want to tell you about, first is what? Imaginative, and number two is what? Real. So imaginative fiction is what? It includes novels, and non-fictions include biographies, memoirs, epistles, journalism and essays also. Next, I want to tell you about realistic fiction. So it is what? It encompasses the works that could realistically happen in the real world, like some historical fiction and literary fiction. So this is about the genres of literature that we discussed. Now we are going to discuss about our novel. What is novel? First of all, you should know what is novel. Then we will discuss about what is modern novel. So novel is defined as a fictional prose narrative of considerable length, typically having a plot that is unfolded by actions, speech and thoughts of characters. So these things combine together and we are having the genre of literature that is called novel. So another definition is that a novel is a work of fiction, that of prose fiction that tells a story about specific human or character experiences over a considerable length. So prose style and length, as well as fictional or semi-fictional subject matter, are the most clearly defining characteristics of a novel. So these are the definitions of novel. Now let me tell you about that how the novel has been originated and how it has been developed. That today we are having a lot of variety of novels. So the novel as a literary form has a complex and fascinating origin in English literature. It evolved over centuries to become a prominent and diverse genres are there. So we are having different styles, different variety of writings in the form of novels today. So its roots can be traced back to various influences, cultural shifts, there is a change in the cultures and new innovations in the form of storytelling that we are having the developed form of the novels. So basically how the word novel, what does it mean? Na? The term novel itself has Latin origins, derived from the word novellus, which meaning something new, something fresh, that it is based on novelty as well. However, the novel as we understand it today didn't emerge until the 18th century. So, prior to the history of novel, storytelling primarily took the form of epic poems, ballads and short stories. One of the earliest works that bears resemblance to the novel, it is actually the Sir Thomas Malory's Lee Motti author that has been written in the 15th century. This is the very first work that is having a resemblance to the novel. So, however, it was not until the 17th century that the novel began to take recognizable shape. So, until 17th century, we are not having a proper form of novel. The roots of English novel that can be found in the prose romances of the 16th and 17th centuries. From there, we are having the start of the novel writing. So, these works often characterized by different adventures of the heroes or the characters, romances and moral allegory. These things laid the groundwork for the development of longer, more complex narrative. So, this is the origin or the development of the novel. Now, we are having the different examples of the early novelists. We are having the name of the writers like John Bunyan with his work The Pilgrim's Progress. This is the earliest form of novel writing that has been written in the 1678. Next, we are having another novelist, that is Ephra Behan with work Oroonoko that has been written in 1688, contributed to the evolution of prose fiction. So, these are the earliest forms of the novel writing. So, after 17th century, we are having the 18th century that is often regarded or considered as the birth of English novel, that we are having the very much flourishing age of English literature that is having a lot of novelists. So, what are the key features of the novel? First of all, the length. Novels are significantly longer than short story. This is the difference between the novel and novella and short story, that is the length that allows for more depth and complexity in character development, plot and thematic exploration. Next is the prose narrative. Novels are written in prose, which is the ordinary form of written language, unlike poetry or drama. This is the difference between novel and poetry and drama. Next characteristic is about the character development. Novels focus on the growth and evolution of characters, often exploring their inner thoughts and motivation. So, characters are the most important element or the characteristics of the novel writing. Next is the plot structure. A novel's plot typically includes an exposition, rising action, climax, falling action and resolution, as you people are already aware of these things. Next, we are going to discuss about what are the key features of the novel that are the very much important regarding the novel writing. The very first is about setting. So, novel establishes a clear setting including the time and place of the story as well as social and cultural context. Next feature is about the point of view. The narrative perspective, first person, third person, limited or third person omniscient. This is actually the significantly impacts how the story is told and how the experience has been narrated by the writer in the novel writing. So, we are discussing about the features of novel. The next feature that is we have to discuss about the theme. So, novels explore a central idea or message, often examining universal human experiences and complexities. Next, the style of the novel. What is the feature about the style of the novel is that novels vary in style, ranging from formal to experimental, and it can be characterized by their unique language and narrative voice. So, next feature is about, again we are discussing multiple themes and ideas. Novel is having a complexity and there is a lot of themes are there, different plots, settings are there. So, what is a multiple theme and idea in the novel? The feature of the novel is that unlike the shorter forms of fiction, novels have the space to explore multiple themes and ideas, offering a richer and more nuanced understanding of the human condition. So, these are all the features of the novel that I discussed with you. Now, let me tell you about elements of novel. So, these are all the elements of novel. Number one is what? That is plot. Number two, characters. Number three, conflict. Number four, setting. And number five is theme. There are a lot of other things are there that are associated with the novel writing, but in today's introductory lecture, we have just discussed about the introduction of literature, then what is novel, its origin, its development, and after that we discuss about the features and elements of novel writing. So this is all about my today's lecture. Thank you so much students for listening me. Allah Hafiz. We will meet in next lecture inshallah.